What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brad, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket expansion kit. Quick note, if you have not seen it yet, I did unbox the Osmo Pocket the other day. Please be sure to check out that video. It'll be linked below. But let's quickly get to the expansion kit unboxing. It does include the control wheel, the accessory mount, as well as the wireless module, and I believe a 32GB SD card. So let's quickly get to it. Go right on the side here. I have not opened this or looked at it yet. Right inside, pretty empty box as you can see. It's going to pull right out. If you turn it, there, you should be able to see those came right out of the box there. Looks like a bunch of manuals that show how to use these. This little guy is falling out. I will say these things are a lot smaller and a lot lighter than you might think. This thing feels very, very light, almost no weight at all. That one back there. So there is the control wheel. If we can focus. We have the accessory mount, clamp style. As well as the wireless module. Let me quickly attach these all to the Osmo just so you can see it here. Put that off to the side. Okay, so we have the Osmo and we have the accessory mount right here. I'm gonna guess the light goes in front. And that's that. So it can stand up all on its own. You got the accessory mount, which is, I believe, a clamp style. It just opens up right there on the side. I believe your little piece here on the Osmo does need to come off. I'm going to try and make this video as quickly as possible here, guys. Okay, so there is the accessory mount. See a little GoPro mount bracket on the back. And let me take this off here real quick and put on the control wheel. One thing, all these accessories, they're super light. They almost had nothing to it as far as weight or size goes. Yeah, it's a little trouble getting that off there. Alright, control wheel's right here. Take the back side and match it up with those little pieces there. And it snaps on. Okay, it looks like it slides on here. Okay, so it slides right on the side. But that's it, guys. That is the quick unboxing of the Osmo Pocket expansion kit. I just remembered there should be an SD card. Let me check here. And yes, guys, in the box of instructions, there is an SD card included, a 32GB Evo Plus. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. to make sure you see more of the content. And you guys all have a great day.